In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn your first $1,000 on Fiverr affiliate. And I'm going to show you how to do this as a complete beginner. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to click on the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can get started with the ultimate affiliate mastery course and start making money in passive income. So moving on to today's video, the first step is to go over to fiverr.com/affiliates. And if you come over to this page, you're going to see a sign up button around the screen. You want to make sure to click on the sign up button, and it's going to bring you to this page where you simply need to enter your basic information and your account will be created right away. And once your account is created, the next step is to look for a gig to promote on Fiverr. And the main criteria I use before I promote any gig on Fiverr is to make sure that that gig is solving a problem. And also you want to make sure whatever gig you're promoting on Fiverr, people in that niche are willing to solve their problem and they are willing to pay for it. An example of such niche includes people on YouTube who are trying to grow their YouTube channel and who are trying to get more views. So all you simply need to do is to come over to the search section and you want to type in grow YouTube channel. And once you do this, it's going to bring you to this page. You are going to see a lot of professionals who are experts at growing YouTube channels. So all you simply need to do is to pick one of these gigs, and you want to make sure you go for a gig that has a lot of review. All right, as you can see, this is an example of a good gig right here. You can see this person has over 370 reviews. So all you need to do is to click on that gig, and once you do that, you want to then copy the Fiverr gig link. Then you want to go back to your Fiverr account. So once you come over to your Fiverr dashboard, all you simply need to do is to click on marketing tools. So once you click on marketing tools, you want to then click on default and deep links. So once you do this, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where it gets interesting. You are going to see right here that there are various types of plans on Fiverr affiliate. So to get more information and to know which one to choose right here, you want to click on this commission plan. And once you click on that, it's going to give you more information on each of the plan you wish to go with. All right, so if I scroll down here to this one that says Fiverr CPA old plan, so you want to make sure to look for the category that Fiverr gig is. The one we are promoting is under video marketing. You can see video marketing right here on this seller's page. All right, so that tells you you are going to get paid $25 for everyone who purchase this Fiverr gig using your affiliate link. Or you can scroll down here, you can get paid 25% commission for whatever that person pays on Fiverr. So there are various type of plans right here. You want to go through each of these plan and select anyone you wish to go for. All right, so for me, I prefer this Fiverr CPA plan. So all I simply need to do from here is to then click on this deep link, and this is where you want to paste in that Fiverr gig link. All right, so now you want to then click on save. So once you then click on save, all you simply need to do from here now is to then copy this Fiverr CPA old link. All right, so if you chose this Fiverr Pro, all you need to do is to then copy this link. But because I'm using this Fiverr CPA link, I am simply going to copy this one. All right, I hope this makes sense. So once you do that, the next step is to then come over to Google and you want to type in vidIQ extension. So once you type this, you are going to see this extension, as it's going to be very helpful for the next step. So all you need to do is to click on the first link and you'll be able to download the extension to your PC. So the next step is to then come over to YouTube and you want to type in keywords people who are interested in growing their channel will be typing on YouTube. All right, so you can see right here that this is a list of other long tail keywords people are typing in on YouTube regarding growing their YouTube channel. So I'm going to take the first one as an example, and if you download the vidIQ extension, it's going to show you how many views that video is getting every hour. You can see this one is getting 151 views every single hour. So we are going to take this video here as an example, or you can scroll down and you are going to see other YouTube videos that are getting a lot of views as well. You can see this one also getting 149 views every hour. So I'm going to take the first one here as an example. So once you click on the video, I promise we are not going to be doing any spam on this YouTube video. So all you simply need to do is to pause the video. So once you pause the video, you want to go straight to the YouTube comment. And once you do that, you are going to see this vidIQ extension right here. And all you simply need to do from here is to scroll down and you want to click on minimum number of subscriber. This is going to basically show you channels with low subscriber count, and these are mainly the people you are looking for because they are the one who wants to grow their channel and get a lot of views on their YouTube channel. This is a YouTube channel right here saying don't give up, y'all, we are going to make it. All right, so you want to basically open these channels in a new tab. This is also another one right here. You want to open as many of these channels in a new tab. So once you open these channels on a new tab, all you just simply need to do is to come over to the about section. All right, and you want to click on view email address. So once you do this, it's going to show you the email address of that YouTube channel. You want to do the same thing for as many YouTube channel as possible. So once you've gathered as many email addresses as possible, you want to then go over to your Gmail account and you want to paste in those email addresses right here. You want to type in a subject like this on the email. All right, what I did to get views on YouTube. You already know these people are interested in growing their YouTube channel. And once they see this type of email, they won't immediately think you are trying to spam them because this email looks personal and not trying to sell anything. So now in the body of the email, you want to type in a simple email like this. Hey, I noticed your channel and the hard work you are putting into your videos. Seems that you are not profiting from your YouTube videos due to low viewers and subscribers. I do have a YouTube channel in a similar niche like yours, and I know how frustrating it can be. But gone are those days now, as my views have gone up tremendously, and here is what I did to solve that problem. So let me know if this works out for you. So all you then need to do is to make sure to copy that Fiverr affiliate link again. All right, and you want to highlight this section. Okay, here is what I did. So once you highlight this section, you want to then scroll down where it says insert link, and then you want to paste in that Fiverr link right here, and you want to click on OK. So once you do this, once they click on this link, it's going to bring them directly to this Fiverr gig, and once they purchase this gig, you will be making $25 for everyone who purchased this Fiverr gig using your affiliate link.